How to create a free Lemon AI account. So as you can see, I've successfully created my free account and I've been given 1,000 credits to explore the platform. So let me show you how to do the exact same thing. Just go to Google and then from Google search, come and type in lemonai.ai and then hit enter. So when you hit enter, it's going to bring you right here to the platform. It's free and then open source. Okay, so over here, when you look at the top, you see that we have the option that is pricing. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you will see that we have the free option, okay, whereby you pay $0 per month. Okay, so that one is what you are going to use, and that is what you are going to get 1,000 credits to explore the platform. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on log in, and then when you click on it over here, you can simply come and then create an account. Okay, so for a first time user, you have to come here to where it says no account and then come and click on the register. So when you click on the register over here, you can simply come and then register with your Google account. Or you can simply come and then put in your full name here. Then you put in your email address, you create a strong password, then you click on register. But I'm simply going to go with the register with Google and then I click on it. That one is very fast. You have to come and then select your email address and that is it. You'll be logged in successfully. So after creating an account, you see that it will bring you right here to your dashboard. And then from here, you are given 1,000 credits, okay? And then you can simply explore the platform. You can also upgrade if you want to, okay? So over here, you can simply come and then chat with the AI. So I'm going to say hi, and you will see that when I submit it, it comes with two options. We have the chat AI, okay, and it has responded, and then we have the agent AI as well. So as you can see, we have the agent AI here. So it depends on you. Let's say you don't want the agent or you don't want the chat, you have the option to come and then turn it off. So when I click on this, it will be off and then I'll be only using one of it. Okay, so this is how to create a free account. Okay, as you can see, I'm using the agent, the chat mode. Okay, so this is how to create a free account like they've done, and see you in my next video.